What does an American beech tree look like?
An American beech tree is characterized by its tall stature, reaching heights of up to 80 feet or more, with a broad, spreading canopy. Its bark is smooth, light gray, and often marked with horizontal lines or ridges. The leaves are oval-shaped with pointed tips, serrated edges, and prominent veins.
In fall, the leaves turn a rich golden bronze color. American beech versus European beech. Comparing the American beech to the European beech, I find the American beech's smooth, gray bark more captivating, whereas the European beech's coppery autumn leaves add a different charm to my garden. American beech versus birch tree.
When I look at an American beech and a birch tree side by side, the beech's dense, sprawling canopy feels like a comforting embrace, while the birch's white, peeling bark and delicate branches bring a lighter, airy touch to the landscape.
American beech versus sugar maple.
Standing under an American beech compared to a sugar maple, I appreciate the beech's sturdy, grounding presence, but the sugar maple's vibrant fall colors and sweet sap give me a special kind of seasonal joy.
How fast do American beech trees grow?
American beech trees are relatively slow-growing, typically adding around 12 to 24 inches of height per year under optimal conditions. However, growth rates may vary depending on factors such as soil quality, climate, and environmental conditions.
Is American beech a hardwood? Yes, American beech is classified as a hardwood tree.
Its wood is dense, strong, and durable, making it suitable for a variety of woodworking applications, including furniture, flooring, and veneers.
Is American beech good firewood?
American beech is not considered ideal firewood compared to other hardwood species. While it produces decent heat, it tends to burn quickly and may not provide long-lasting coals. Additionally, its high moisture content can lead to excessive smoke and creosote buildup in chimneys.
What eats American beech? Various wildlife species consume different parts of the American beech tree.
Squirrels and other rodents feed on the nuts, mast, while deer and other browsing animals may browse on the leaves and twigs.
Insects and birds may also utilize the tree for food and habitat. What does the American beech tree provide in summer?
In summer, American beech trees provide shade with their dense foliage, creating a cool and sheltered environment beneath their canopy. They also contribute to the ecosystem by providing habitat and food for wildlife.
Are American beech seedlings affected by beech bark disease?
Yes, American beech seedlings can be affected by beech bark disease, which is caused by a combination of an insect, the beech scale, and a fungus, Neonectria species.
The disease can weaken and kill mature trees, and it can also affect seedlings and saplings. Are American beech shade tolerant?
Yes, American beech is considered shade tolerant, meaning it can thrive in understory conditions with limited sunlight. It is often found growing beneath taller trees in mature forests, where it can tolerate low light levels.
Are American beech trees worth money?
American beech trees have some value, particularly for their high-quality wood, which is prized for woodworking. However, the value of individual trees depends on factors such as size, age, quality of the wood, and market demand.
Can American beech thrive as soils with low fertility?
American beech trees are adaptable to a wide range of soil types but generally prefer moist, well-drained soils with good fertility. While they can tolerate soils with low fertility, their growth and overall health may be impacted, and they may not reach their full potential.
Can you eat American beech nuts?
Yes, American beech nuts, also known as beech mast, are edible and have been historically consumed by humans and wildlife. However, they have a high tannin content, which can make them bitter and unpalatable if not prepared properly. They are primarily eaten by wildlife such as squirrels and birds.
Does American beech grow in Europe?
No, despite its name, American beech is native to eastern North America and is not found in Europe. However, European beech, Fagus sylvatica, is a closely related species native to Europe and parts of Asia.
Does American beech tree produce nuts every year?
American beech trees typically produce nuts, mast, annually, although the quantity may vary from year to year depending on factors such as weather conditions, tree health, and environmental factors.
Does American beech wood easily warp?
American beech wood is relatively stable and resistant to warping when properly dried and seasoned. It is commonly used in woodworking for its straight grain and fine texture, making it suitable for a variety of applications.
How big is the American beech leaves?
The leaves of the American beech tree are typically 2 to 4 inches long and 1 to 2.5 inches wide. They are oval-shaped with pointed tips and serrated edges, featuring prominent veins running from the base to the tip of the leaf.